The history of India is nothing but a history of a mortal conflict between Buddhism and Brahminism. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Men are mortal, so are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Otherwise, both will wither or die. Law and order are the medicine of the body politic. And when the body politic gets sick, medicine must be administered. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it.